Okay, just a quick update. Um, I put you to bed about 1 hour and 20 minutes ago. You're starting to wake up, so I'm just gonna make this quick before you wake up. Update on Rhea or you. You're starting to talk a lot. You will say no a lot. Water, bird, because I think Jordan is teaching you this bird. You will say mama a lot, papa, and you will point to Don Don, but you call everybody Don Don. Every dog is Don Don. Say bye bye, car. I think you will copy some phrases like there it is or where is it. Um, right now, with me and your mama is working on getting used to have your ponytails like this because your hair is getting longer and it's covering your face. I think you have multiple teeth. You have coming out. I think two on the right and then one on the left. I start doing this, so after why we get home around noon, and your mama will text us, and I will video call her, and you will start to babble while holding the camera. And yeah, I think it's fun for you and it's fun for your mama, and I get to do a little bit of cleaning while you do that, while you babble or talking to your mom. You're sleeping good. You're starting actually to sleep straight throughout the night. I think your eating is eating better. Not too long. I think sometime now this week, your Aunt Jane took you to a zoo in Palm Coast or somewhere, and you guys went. This is the first time you went to a spring, Silver Glen. So while you're away, me and your mama did a lot of cleaning. We throw away some stuff. I try not to get attached to material things. You're not afraid of plane anymore. You enjoy your bath a lot. You actually start to cry every time we stop giving you a bath. Currently, I'm studying for CCRN. It's a certification for critical care ICU. I'm just doing it just to do something. I'm hoping that this will give me more confidence when I apply. I really want to move to Colorado. Visit your grandfather next year, 2027. This is something new. United Airlines, they open, or I think they're starting to have, they're introducing where I think for a family they can have 3 rows and they will give you like a blanket and maybe like a bed. I'm not too sure about that. Anyway, this was like got me interested because the military opened their age, they extended their recruitment age up to 42 years old. I thought about it, but maybe go to like Army Reserve or the National Guard. And I don't want to be deployed because high risk of dying, and you know, I thought, you know, raising a family is hard enough. I'm 40 years old now. Will I regret this in the future? I don't know. I thought, it's hard. It will be hard for your mama to raise you by herself and to do like errands at home, like taking care of the animals. Um, mm, I think part of it too is I'm just maybe like trying to run away from my responsibility. So also it's hard sometimes when you're not sleeping. Like yesterday, I get angry because you were not taking a nap and you throw like a fit and you were crying so hard. So I get really frustrated. So yeah, I think that's what it is. If I decided to join the military, maybe because I just want to move away and have your mama take care of you, because I can serve serve you and your mother and help the community and work as a nurse. I think that's good enough. um, your mother right now, she's I think she spent her time off dancing. I think she has like a showcase in June or July, maybe like a cha-cha. uh, what else with your mom? mm, I don't know. Recently, maybe like a couple of weeks ago, she got into a car accident and she got a new Toyota, white Toyota. Your mama is eating a lot of turkey. I think she's watching her cholesterol right now. Anyway. Mm, I think this is the first time that I hope or I have like positive that we are will start saving money unless some surprise unexpected expenses happen. So yeah, we'll see.